In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a shape and add text to it in Microsoft Word. This can be a fantastic way to enhance your documents, whether you're creating a flyer, report, or any other project that could benefit from a visual element. Knowing how to effectively incorporate shapes can also make your documents more engaging and easier to understand. So, let's get started. First, we need to navigate to the Insert tab, which you'll find at the top of your Word window. This tab is your go-to for adding various elements to your document, such as images, tables, and of course, shapes. Once there, locate the Shapes button, which opens a drop-down menu filled with a wide array of shapes to choose from. You'll see everything from basic circles and rectangles to more complex arrows and flowchart symbols. Take a moment to explore these options and select the shape that best fits your needs. Once you've decided on the perfect shape, click on it to select it. Now, it's time to draw it in your document. To do this, click and hold your mouse in the area where you want your shape to start, then drag your mouse until your shape reaches the desired size. Release the mouse button, and voila! You've just added a shape to your document. If you need to adjust its size or move it to a different location, simply click on the shape and you'll see handles around it that you can use to resize or reposition. Now that we have our shape in place, let's add some text inside it. Text inside a shape can add clarity or context, making it a powerful tool for communication within your document. To do this, start by right-clicking on the shape. You'll see a menu pop up with several options. Choose either Add Text or, in some versions, you might see Edit Text. Clicking this option will place your cursor inside the shape, allowing you to type whatever content you need directly into it. Alternatively, there's an even simpler method. Instead of right-clicking, you can just click on the shape to select it and start typing right away. Word is designed to automatically recognize this action, opening a text cursor inside the shape so you can seamlessly type or paste the text you want. And that's all there is to it. You now know how to insert a shape and add text to it within your Word document. This simple yet versatile skill can greatly enhance the functionality and appeal of your documents. Don't hesitate to experiment with different shapes and text combinations to see what works best for your particular project. Thanks for watching, and happy document designing!